I'm Michael Clouston in Fort Lauderdale at our new listing in Spanish Springs. Chad's inside to show us around. Let's go take a look. Gee, it's kind of dark in here.
You know what? You're right. Hey Alexa, turn on all the lights. That's better.
Much better.
Now let's show you guys around this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse in Fort Lauderdale, Wilton Manors, Middle River. You pick when you get here. As we start off in the kitchen, you'll notice that this is the only unit that doesn't have a wall right here. So you bring the living room, the laundry room, and the kitchen all together. The owner did all the work themselves. I'm gonna have that camera look up and look at that custom fan up there. No blades. If you didn't know, it's not even there. Now that we've seen this beautiful fan, we're gonna walk through these office, kitchen area as we go straight to one of my favorite features here, the Frigidaire conductive stovetop. You can touch it all you want. It instant boils as soon as you put water in here. Put it on here, turn it on, boom. And right behind you, follow me, right behind me here, washer, dryer, and storage. Look at these beautiful shelves. And they're all on wheels. Look at that. It's perfect for those of you looking to be minimalist, but in a downtown area. You guys ready to see this half bathroom? Look at this beautiful half bathroom with tile from the floor to ceiling. Beautiful light fixtures, LED lighting, and a standalone sink with nothing under it, straight into the wall. I almost feel like I'm in Europe. As I stand under another bladeless fan, you have a living area with beautiful decor throughout. Room for a huge TV and anything you want in here. You could start a dance party. Now let's go look at the 2 bedrooms upstairs. As you walk up these stairs, make sure you notice the rosewood flooring and the modern metal banister as we get up to the high ceilings on the 2nd floor. We're gonna go this way first. If you're anything like me, you're gonna love these closets. Mirrors, mirrors, mirrors. I can get full view of these beautiful coats. And if you forget who I work for, right here, there it is, Chad. Now come on into the primary bedroom. This room is even bigger than the last bedroom. King size bed, view of the backyard. Make sure you get a look down here. You have a whole patio for yourself. If you want, you can even fence that in. Now, the most beautiful part of the upstairs, the open bathroom. And if you like closets, wait till you look down here. Closets for days. This is a bowl that I think a salad should come in, but you sit here and you wash your hands. Look, do your hair, and just get ready to go for the day. That concludes our tour of this 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse in Fort Lauderdale. It has Alexa, modern open kitchen, and 2 huge bedroom with ensuite. Now it's Friday at 3 o'clock. We need to do happy hour. Michael, you ready? Let's go grab a drink.